I'm very happy because a long vacation coming up. My mom is taking me to my grandmother's house.
I am happy because I can relax at home by the way. Where is your grandmother's house?
My grandmother's house is in Yogyakarta. When I went there last year, my grandmother gave me a lot of delicious food.
Really? No wonder you are so happy.
Yes, not only will we be given food, our family will also go to the beach every time we go to Yogyakarta.
Which beach is what?
Parangtritis
Ano
Beach.
memory ano?
It's not too far from my grandmother's house.
Saan?
Wow, that's very interesting. I hope you plan here.